Good morning. Now we will see example number 9, exercise 3.3. We already seen example number 7 and 8 in previous video. Now here we have given one matrix. Matrix A is a 3 cross 3 matrix. We have to find 1 half A plus A dash and 1 half A minus A dash. To find these all things, we have only one matrix capital A. Then we have to find its transpose, that is A dash. Now we find A dash. How we find A dash? To find A dash, that means transpose of A, we have to interchange the rows and the columns of matrix A. Now by interchanging this, we get the transpose of a matrix A dash. Now we add A and A dash. By adding A and A dash, we get a new matrix. The matrix we got is 0 matrix. Now we divide it by 2, that is 1 half A plus A dash. 1 half into 0 matrix is a 0 matrix. Now we subtract A and A dash, that is A minus A dash. By subtracting two matrices, we get a new matrix, that is 2 times 0 AB minus AC minus A0C minus B minus C0. But we have to find 1 half A minus A dash. To find 1 half A minus A dash, we divide the matrix A minus A dash by 2. Then we get the required matrix which we want to find. So friends, this is example number 9. And we know that 1 half A minus A dash, A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix and A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. Now we move on example number 10. Here the question is, express the following matrices as the sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. We will see theorem number 1 and 2. By using these two theorems, we know that any matrix is a sum of symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix, and that we derive one equation, and the equation is A is equal to 1 half A plus A dash plus 1 half A minus A dash. Here we use this equation and we show that the given matrix is a sum of symmetric matrix and a skew symmetric matrix. Now to find this, to prove this, we have a matrix capital A, 3, 5, 1, minus 1. We find its transpose, that is A dash. Now by finding A dash, we find A plus A dash, that is addition of two matrices A and A dash. Then we divide it by 2. That means we find the value 1 half A plus A dash. Similarly, we find the value 1 half A minus A dash. Now, we add these two matrices. That is 1 half A plus A dash and 1 half A minus A dash. By theorem number 2, we know that 1 half A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix and 1 half A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. Now we add these both, and we know that by theorem number 2, A is equal to sum of these two matrices, that is 3, 3, 3 minus 1 and plus 0, 2 minus 2, 0. This is the simple examples which would be asked in a 3 marks or 4 marks. Similarly, example number 10.2, here we have 3 cross 3 matrix. Nothing to worry, we have to follow just a simple procedure, that is name A to the given example, given matrix, find A dash, then find A plus A dash, then find A minus A dash, then find 1 half A plus A dash and 1 half A minus A dash. And we know that A is equal to 1 half a plus a dash plus 1 half a minus a dash. See here, we do the same thing. A is given, we find a dash, then we find a plus a dash, then we find 1 half a plus a dash, we find a minus a dash. After finding this, we find 1 half a minus a dash, and we know that by theorem number 1 half a plus a dash is a skew symmetric matrix, and 1 half a minus a dash is a skew symmetric matrix. And by theorem number 2, a is equal to 1 half a plus a dash plus 1 half a minus a dash. Now, similarly, we can express the matrices given in example number 3, 10.3 and 10.4 as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices as given here. This is 10.3 and this example is 10.4. Clear? Now, the question number 11. If A and B are symmetric matrices of a same order, then AB minus BA is a blank. Now, given that A and B are symmetric matrices. Now, A and B are symmetric, that we know. Now we find if A and B are symmetric matrices, then A is equal to its transpose, that is A dash, and B is equal to B dash, that means its transpose B dash. Now, we have to check that AB minus BA is symmetric or skew symmetric or zero or identity. Now, we just find the transpose of AB minus BA, that is AB minus BA whole dash. It is same as AB dash minus BA dash. Now, what is AB dash? It is B dash A dash minus A dash B dash. Now, B is same as B dash and A is same as A dash, that is BA minus AB. It is minus of AB minus BA, that is transpose of AB minus BA is same as A minus of AB minus BA, that is the given matrix AB minus BA is a skew symmetric matrix. Now, example number 12. If A is equal to matrix cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha, and A plus A dash is I, then value of alpha is blank. Now, given that A plus A dash is I, we use this. A is given, then find A dash. Now, this is I, that is addition of two matrices is an identity matrix. Now, by adding these two matrices, we get these matrices. Now, compare these two matrices, we got 2 cos alpha is 1, that is cos alpha is 1 half, that is alpha is pi by 3. Thank you very much.